This is broad-leafed gulfweed, which is a brown alga, one of several species of brown alga in the genus Sargassum, for which the Sargasso Sea is named. This is an area of the South Atlantic near the coast of the U.S. where vast mats of this brown alga float. It is holopelagic, meaning that it is free floating rather than attaching to a substrate on a shore or on a coral, let's say, thanks to the gas bladders which allow it to float, which are visible here. Under normal conditions, it provides habitat for diverse organisms while at sea, and when it washes up on shore, it serves a number of useful functions, such as helping to anchor dunes and providing fertilizer for both native plants and for island agriculture. Unfortunately, human activities have changed the normal scenario and are causing unprecedented blooms of these algae. Sewage and agricultural runoff has increased the nitrogen in ocean water, which is a nutrient they need to grow. Climate change is warming the water, which is promoting their growth, given that the warm summer was when they grew the most in the past. And then increased flooding due to the severe weather induced by climate change is increasing the nutrient runoff into the oceans. In the spring of 2023, a mass of this brown algae weighing more than 10 million tons and stretching over 5,000 miles is now threatening the southeast coast of the US, such as Florida and the islands of the Caribbean. The least amount and extent of this algae in a given year is now exceeding what was once the greatest amount and extent of this algae less than 10 years ago. And so the summer of 2023 is likely to be negatively affected by this mass of Sargassum brown algae, which will decrease the light available for corals, threaten tourism, interfere with boating and fishing, potentially interfere with desalination plants, which is an important source of water for island communities, and produce foul odors as it rots on shore.